Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you some basic tips to secure a Facebook account. Nowadays everyone have Facebook account and we have built-in Facebook security which is called two-factor authentication. So we can enable it and we can secure our account. For every login we can input two-factor authentication code received on our number or a code from an authenticator app. So let's log into Facebook. Okay, I'm logged into Facebook account. After a login, go to your Facebook account setting. Let's go to settings. Now in the left bar, click on security and login. Let me show you security and login. Now in the main container, click on use two-factor authentication. Let's go to two-factor authentication here. Okay, here you can see two options for your security method. You can use any of them, authentication app and a text message. So whenever you log in, you can log in via authentication app or a text message. Let's go to first option, authentication app. For authentication, there are many apps or Play Store. I will use Microsoft Authenticator. Download it on your mobile. This is the Authenticator app on the Play Store or App Store. Click over Use Authentication app and scan QR code in your Microsoft Authenticator app. Let's do it. Use Authentication app. I will scan this QR code to my Authentication app. Continue. Okay. Now in your mobile, when you successfully added the account to Microsoft Authenticator app, please input the code from your Microsoft Authenticator app and continue. Let me put the code from Facebook account added to my Authenticator app. Okay. Okay, done. It's asking me to log in again. Now your account has been added to authentication app. Whenever you will try to log in from any unrecognized device, you can input the code from Microsoft Authenticator app. Let's go to the second method, use text message. Let's set up a text message for login. Input mobile number here so that you will receive a code on your mobile number whenever you try to log in from unrecognized device. Okay. Input the code received on your mobile number. I will receive a code and I will input here 138207. Okay. Now it's authenticating with 6-digit code received on my number. Okay. I've successfully added my number and I've successfully added my account to Microsoft Authenticator app. So whenever I will try to log in from any device, I have two options. Either enter a code from my Authenticator app or get a text message on my mobile number for a login. Thanks for watching.